Now we discuss Introduction to Trading Strategies, lecture number 9. Many of the people ask from me why we need a trading strategy. How trading strategy will help you out in trading success. Now we discuss in detail. Sticking to a trading strategy allows you to remain focused. Amid of huge inflow of news, events, economic data can seriously apply your analysis. By the use of a better trading strategy, we have to control overtrading, as we already know that overtrading is an enemy for your profits. You need a conclusive trading strategies so that you can measure and improve your performance on trading strategy to trading strategy basis. Trading strategy help you out to keep your emotion control. Greed and fear can easily take control over novice traders. Keep in mind that after a streak of good and bad trades can also hit your emotion control. Now we discuss the type of trading strategies, how we can apply it, what are the different type of strategies that we can use on day-to-day basis. Basically, we have 4 type of trading strategies that majority of the traders will use. The first is reversal tradings. The another one is trend following trading. The third one is breakout trading, and the fourth one is turtle trading. We discuss first reversal trading. The goal of swing trading or the reversal trading is to identify overall trend exhaust and then captures gain with reversal within that trend. That means, in a simple language, the traders play against the trend. They identify the absolute bottom and tops to play against the trend. When the market will be in exhaust or react on greed and fear, then the reversal trading will be happen. The next big strategy is trend following strategy. Majority of the investors, either the value investors or the positional or momentum traders, will use trend following strategy. This strategy follow the trend and buy on dips when the trend is uptrend and the sell on rise when the trend is down. They never play against the trend and they require a lot of patience. In this type of strategies, you will get a good risk reward ratio while following the trend. Now we discuss the third trading strategies, turtle trading. This strategy is applicable in range bound or consolidation markets. When the markets are in indecisions, neither the buyers control that market or the sellers control that market. In this market, turtle traders will play their activities. Turtle traders judge strategies not by outcome but by a process. By the help of the process, they increase their win rates. Turtle traders generally are conservative and follow the low risk strategies. They don't want a high volatility strategies. Now we discuss the breakout strategies. This strategy is a volume based or a mass participation based strategies. When the price break important support or resistance, it includes the mass participations. We see a high spike in the volumes when the support or resistance breaks. The breakout strategy traders will play in favor of the breakout direction.